So I got up at the last minute. Now I'm trying to rush to get my hair together, putting this Texture ID styling cream in here. I got one little section to go, and I got like 3 minutes before I need to walk out the house. Even though I did it at the last minute, it don't look that bad once the white part dries. Which, as you know, it's not going to dry white like that. But it don't look too bad, honestly. He could very well have a paranoid personality disorder. But you're taking some of these things to heart when it's not directly related to you. If he has his own mental health issues, it doesn't have anything to do with you. So you can't, you can't beat yourself up about it. So just let him open up to you when he's ready. You can't force him to open up to you, but all you can do is just let him know that you're there if he wants to open up and see where things go. You have to let the conversation fall naturally. Like, you're not a mental health professional, so don't try to be one when you're talking to him. Just be a friend. Okay, so I got a package. I ordered some stuff from Shein, so I'm just gonna let you guys see what... Okay, so I just came back from the Amazon locker. I picked up a couple of packages. This first one, I just bought 2 aprons, and I'm planning on putting a little design on these aprons. I'm either going to use my Cricut or I'm going to embroider a design. And one of them I'm going to use for resin specifically, so that, you know, when I'm doing my resin projects, I don't get anything on my clothes. And the other one is going to be a like a kitchen apron to use when I'm cooking, when I do cook. Okay, the other package had a few things. So I got 2 phone cases. And then I got a smart plug. So the smart plug was actually on sale. Well, no, it wasn't even on sale. It was basically free, I think. It was like, it said if you add it to your cart and you put in the code, it was like 99 cents. And then when I was checking out, they took off that 99 cents, so it was free. So I'm gonna see how this works, set this up and see what it's talking about, you know. And then the 2 phone cases I got are just like the protective ones that come with the screen protector. This almost kind of matched my iPad case, the one that I unboxed in my iPad video. But that one was like $3. That's the only reason why I bought it, because I already have a purple case, the same one that I unboxed in the iPad video. And then this one is just like that one. It has the screen protector, and then it's white. Because for some reason I just really wanted a white phone case. Ooh, I'm so happy to change my phone case, because I had this purple one on since I think November, whenever I put that unboxing my iPad video up. That's how long this phone case has been on, and it's now July 20th. So like 6-7 months that I had that this phone case on. So yes, I'm so happy to have changed it. What took me so long because I was just trying to find one that was just as protective as this one, because this protective was the truth. Like this one, it really protected my phone. It's with the built-in screen protector. That's what really saves your phone when it drops. So this phone case is just like that one with the screen protector, and so is this one that I have on. So I was just waiting until I found like a very decent one that was a nice color. Like every time I would go on there, they would have colors I didn't want, or they didn't have a screen protector built in or something like that. Okay, so I put the anklets on this little stand that I have, and there's bracelets, 1 pair of earrings, and then the rest are anklets. And I think I got this stand from where did I get this from? TJ Maxx for $8. And the little necklace stands that you see, I got those from Hobby Lobby in their what section is that? It's like tabletop and wall hanging section. That's usually at the front of the store. I know my jewelry is piled on there. I know. One of these days I'm going to like really go through it and separate it and figure something out, because yeah, it shouldn't be piled up like that. But I have a lot of nice little pieces in here. Most of them came from like AliExpress or something. A lot of pieces came from Shein. The custom ones, like my MSW one, and then I think I have one that says, it says Deja on it. I have a few more that are custom. I have another Deja one that's gold. But yeah, these custom made ones came from AliExpress. So there's this one that says Deja Lene. And then there's this one that says Deja with the 2 hearts. I think that's it for the custom pieces. This one I got from a seller off Instagram. I can link her below if anybody's interested. And I have a lot of butterflies because I'm just so in love with the butterfly theme, as well as the sun, moon, and stars. And I have a few little crystals on here that I got from Five Below, so they're not like the real crystals for the people out there that like actually collect crystals. It's not like that or anything. I just got them for aesthetic. I got my little Apple Watch, what do you call these, like those screen protectors that go around the rim. Like, these ones are not actual like screen protectors. These are just for fashion because there's nothing in the middle here, but like this one is like an actual screen. Got some jewelry over here, a bunch of belly rings, even though I don't currently have my belly pierced anymore. I had it pierced twice. It closed both times. Over here I keep my keyboards on one of these little shoe stands, and I got like tech stuff, and the rest of them are just like shoes and purses and stuff, yarn and stuff like that.
So I was kind of like, what's it? Look at Brooke. Look at
Hey, look over here. There we go. Okay, green, red, orange, black. Oh, you messed up. Okay. Green, red, purple, yellow, purple, black, red, purple, green.